Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to muffle audio in Adobe Premiere to sound as if it were distant or coming from inside a car. To kick things off, I've added a clip with some audio that I want to sound muffled, like it's coming from inside the car. Begin by popping over to the effects panel and typing parametric in the search box. Drag the parametric equalizer onto your audio clip on your timeline. Then make sure your audio clip is selected and go up to effect controls. Under parametric equalizer, click edit. In the pop-up window, change the preset to generic low pass. Now drag this control point down here over to the left to create a distant muffled sound. Experiment with moving this point around to get the muffle effect you desire. If you'd like to fade the muffle out as the car passes the camera, simply duplicate your audio clip by holding the Alt key on your keyboard and dragging your audio clip down to the track below. Then select your audio clip and go up to effect controls. Now delete your parametric equalizer effect. Then back on your timeline, drag the duplicate audio track wider as shown. This will reveal the volume adjustment bar. Hold Ctrl and click along the volume bar 3 times. Once at the start, once around the middle, and once at the end. Now before clicking the mouse button again, switch to holding the Shift key on your keyboard and reselect the first control point once more. You now have the first and last control points selected. Release the Shift key and drag the first control point down to 0 as shown. The last control point will follow. Play back your clip and now you can see the music fades in from a muffle as if you can hear it through the car window as it passes. If the timing's out, you can simply move the middle control point to where you think it fits best. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon.